Hi, my name is Leo Sammarelli. I'm an adaptive boxer and a coach here at Raincity Boxing in Vancouver. Even now that I'm in a wheelchair, it's most important to have a movement, right? When I was injured, right, if you asked me when I was at the rehab, Leo, would you be boxing? I think I would have said no. It really kind of destroys your goal and your path. And again, before that was my meaning is boxing. I lost that for a bit. I lost that drive and that determination to even get better, right? Finding that meaning and getting back involved in the community and getting back involved with my friends, and it's just really down to the fundamentals of things. Am I able to throw a punch, staying balanced? Am I able to throw a hook or throw any of these punches and move? How am I supposed to move now I have no legs, right? Finding and pioneering a new way for myself to really do these things. And once we figured what worked for me, made me who I am right now. For everyone else who gets involved in this sport, they would have to find a way that works for them. And that's what adapting is all about as well.